With a legacy of notable buildings and structures that showcase the city's craftsmanship, Los Angeles has a long history of skilled carpentry and woodworking. The carpentry industry has played an important role in shaping the city's architectural landscape. TradeTech Carpentry program provides students with the skills and knowledge necessary to become successful carpenters, where they learn everything from basic carpentry skills to advanced techniques for constructing buildings, homes, and other structures. Students learn how to read blueprints, use various hand and power tools, and work with different types of wood and other materials. Students practice skills such as measuring, marking, cutting, and shaping wood, fiberglass, or drywall, joining materials with nails, screws, staples, or adhesives, all while complying with local building codes and safety regulations. With a focus on sustainability and green building practices, students learn about eco-friendly materials and techniques that are high in demand in today's construction industry. TradeTech provides opportunities for hands-on experience, which will give students the confidence and expertise they need to succeed in the industry. Whether you're a beginner looking to start a new career or a seasoned professional looking to expand your skills, TradeTech's carpentry program has something for everyone.